Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruth Kim, and in today's video we are going to make a creamy mushroom sauce with turkey breast. And as you can see, I have chopped mushrooms, I have 400-gram turkey breast, I have onions, garlic, I have 2 creams, 250-gram each, I have 2 tablespoons flour, salt and pepper, oil, and of course, because I'm a Kenyan, I have Royco in chicken flavor. So if you want to see the end result, watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys to see more such videos. Thank you. First step is we are going to fry the meat, the turkey. Okay, kabisa. As you can see, it's crunchy, and during this step some people will take the meat out of the pot and put it in a plate or in a bowl, but as for me, I'm going to put it aside because I don't want to continue using the same pot. I'll take a new pot which I have here. So I'm going to add oil. Then I'm going to add the onions. So in my onions, you can see I still have the garlic. I'm going to put the garlic inside so that they can cook together. So after the onions are cooked the way you like them, this is the step where I'm going to add my mushrooms. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. So now you're going to cover it and leave it to cook for 2 minutes. As you can see, this is how the champignons look like after 2 minutes. You see they have their own water. So I'm going to let it like dry a bit. And this is the step where I'm going to add my turkey. It does not have to be turkey. You can put chicken breast or you can put any type of meat you want. This is how everything looks like. I'm going to reduce the heat and let it cook for a minute. And then I'm going to add it to my champignons and the meat and everything. Now I'm going to lower the heat and let everything cook for 2 minutes. Voila! As you can see, our sauce is ready. Voila! Here's the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.